Today, we will guide you on how to start the keto diet correctly, specifically designed for beginners. The goal of the keto diet is to switch your body's primary fuel source from burning sugar to burning fat. The hormone insulin plays a key role in determining whether your body burns fat or sugar. To promote fat burning, it is important to keep insulin levels low. Reducing carbohydrates and eating fewer meals, not necessarily reducing overall calorie intake, is the key. By consuming fewer meals, you naturally reduce your calorie intake. However, the primary objective is to lower insulin levels. To achieve this, it is essential to consume low-carb foods and cut down on all forms of sugar, including honey, agave nectar, brown sugar, white sugar, and date sugar. Instead, you can use sugar alcohol as sweet alternatives in various recipes. When grocery shopping, read labels and choose foods with minimal sugar content. Fruits, except for berries like raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries, should be limited. Avoid grains such as wheat flour used in bread, pasta, cereal, crackers, and biscuits. Thankfully, there are substitutes like almond flour that can be used to make pizza crusts, bread, and more. While carbohydrates should be minimized, vegetables are an exception. Aim to consume at least 7 cups of vegetables, including salads, bell peppers, cabbage, broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Consuming vegetables before protein and fat helps ensure an adequate intake. Protein consumption should be moderate, not excessive like in the Atkins diet. Depending on your size, metabolism, and age, consume 3 to 8 ounces of protein per meal. Opt for different types of meat: fish, chicken, seafood, eggs, cheese, nuts, or nut butters. Check ingredient labels to avoid added sugars in processed meats. The keto diet emphasizes a higher fat intake. While calories from fat are higher, protein sources already contain fat. Adding additional healthy fats like avocado, butter, olive oil, or coconut oil to your meals can aid in the production of ketones, which are beneficial for brain function. Avoid inflammatory fats such as soy oil, corn oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil, safflower oil, and sunflower oil. These fats are often found in salad dressings and mayonnaise. Carefully read labels to avoid consuming these fats. In addition to the food choices, implementing intermittent fasting is recommended to regulate insulin levels further. Gradually reduce the frequency of meals and skip breakfast. Instead, enjoy coffee with a tablespoon of butter or MCT oil, as it aids in ketone production and satiety. Avoid snacking throughout the day, as even low-calorie snacks can stimulate hunger. If tempted to snack, add more fat to your meals to increase satiety and extend the fasting period between meals. In summary, to achieve successful keto dieting, follow these guidelines. Reduce carbohydrates, increase vegetable intake, moderate protein consumption, prioritize healthy fats, implement intermittent fasting, and avoid unnecessary snacking. Remember, consistency is key for optimal results. By following these guidelines, you can embark on your keto journey with confidence and achieve your health goals.